What's up YouTubers, Johnny DIY here. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to replace your sink water supply line hoses. If you guys are new to my channel, do me a favor, click the subscribe and the notification bell so you can get all my new videos. Alright guys, let's get to it. Go ahead and open up our sink and let all the water out. Okay, so we'll come under our sink and these are our hose lines we're going to be replacing. If you have these shutoff valves like this, you're going to want to turn them clockwise to close them. I'm going to be adding these, but if your hoses have gone bad, it might be time to change these too, so check out another video I made on doing that. If you have these valves, you'll be taking off this little side connection. So I'm going to be adding those. I'm going to be taking off this larger connection right here at the wall. So you just put an adjustable wrench or adjustable pliers. I'll go ahead and put links down in the description to all the tools I'm using today for you guys. Put a little bucket or towel underneath to catch the water. Whew, it's a little more than I was expecting. Now if you don't have threaded pipes coming out of your wall, you have copper pipes and they have a little ferrule on the copper pipe. What you're gonna have to do is cut that off and then you can just put a new ferrule on. Alright, now you're going to want to get some cushions and pads because this is the uncomfortable part. We're going to come under here. All these are really corroded and old. If you have bad corrosion like this, I suggest spraying some WD-40 on it the day or so before. Okay, now you're going to need your handy dandy basin wrench, or there's a socket attachment that you can attach to a regular socket wrench. I'll go ahead and put both links down in the description to those tools. You grab on with the basin wrench and then we twist, crack it loose, and we should be able to get the rest off by hand. We'll do that to both of them. Now we can go ahead and hook up the supply lines to the bottom of our faucet. Hot on the left, cold on the right. Don't get these ones mixed up. Now after you've got them finger tightened up, you only need to turn them about half turn or so. These have a rubber gasket. Now be careful when you're tightening these. You don't want a bunch of tension on your water supply lines. You don't want these to be twisting. You can feel the tension if you grab them. Should be nice and loose. Then we can go ahead and connect the new hose to our valve, and we're just going to do this finger tight just like we did the other one, and then another quarter to half turn to get that rubber gasket to seal. Nothing needs to be on those threads either. There we go. Okay, then we want to open our valves for the hoses. We're going to check this connection here. We're also going to check the one up underneath the sink. Okay, now we can go ahead and turn our faucet back on and we'll check for leaks. Looks good, dry as a bone. If it does start to drip or leak, give it another quarter turn tighter and it should take care of the leak. Hopefully this video helped you out. If it did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, I'd really appreciate it if you subscribe and click the notification bell so you can get all my new videos. Thanks for watching Johnny DIY, guys. Keep on doing it yourself. Take care.